In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new channel in Slack. Two methods. We'll walk through two quick, reliable ways to get to the channel creation screen in Slack, starting right from the home view. First, make sure you're on the home screen of your Slack workspace. This is the main view where you see your sidebar on the left with sections like Threads, Direct Messages, and Channels. If you're using the desktop app or the browser version, the layout is the same. The left sidebar is your anchor for navigation. The first method is to use the plus icon in the Channels section. Look down the left sidebar for the word Channels. Right beside it, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon. This is a direct shortcut that takes you into the workflow for adding a new channel, and it's handy if you're already browsing channels or organizing your sidebar. If you don't see that icon, or if your sidebar is collapsed, the second method is just as simple. Head to the lower left corner of the Slack window. You'll find a plus icon below the settings icon. Click that plus icon from the bottom corner. This opens the same set of options, and it's a consistent place to go no matter what you're viewing inside Slack. After using either method, you'll be presented with a small menu. From that menu, click on Channel. This tells Slack you want to start the channel creation process. Both paths lead to the same place, so choose whichever is easier based on where you're working in the app. From here, Slack will guide you through naming and setting up your channel. Keep your channel name short, clear, and descriptive so teammates can find it easily. If your organization uses naming conventions, like Team Project or Depth Topic, follow those to keep things consistent. You'll also see options for public or private visibility. Public channels make it easy for anyone in the workspace to discover and join, which is great for open collaboration. Private channels limit access to invited members, which is useful for sensitive projects or small working groups. You can usually add a brief description to help others understand the channel's purpose at a glance. To recap, start from the home view, then either click the plus icon next to Channels in the sidebar, or click the plus icon at the bottom left corner. In the menu that appears, select Channel. That's it. Both methods bring you to the same creation flow so you can set up your channel quickly and confidently.